Okay, guys, today we are here in Lekki, Lagos. We want to know how much it costs to do a tank stand and the different quality and type.
I'm Mr. Olabameji.
Okay.
And whether in Sagotedu. Sagotedu now from Sagotedu I come.
Okay.
So
how long have you been in this industry? Welding work?
Where I don't do this work now, getting to 40 years.
40 years.
Yes. Because
they never bought some of them for this one.
Yes. So and they do rolling gates.
Okay.
Water tank.
Water tank. Okay.
And the security wire like this.
All the security
yes.
All right.
And they do everything.
Okay, Baba, we want to talk about this tank stand. I don't say other things there.
Okay.
Like people want to do tank stand. Tell us what are the different type of tank stand you as a professional.
Okay. The different we say this one is good part the galvanized home.
Okay.
Because the galvanized home is cheaper than this one, but this one is a strong for the scaffolding.
Okay.
So as it is so now, this one can carry 3,000 liter water tank.
It can carry 3,000 liters.
Yes.
All right. So, I know say there are different thickness. What will be the gauge for this one?
The gauge of this one now is 5.5 channel.
Channel. Okay, this one I be the called channel.
Yes, I be the channel.
Okay. So but they use 4 inches. Another one.
They are using 4 inches, but that one you cannot carry 3,000.
If it
that
collapse,
one can carry 1,500 liter.
Like how much it will cost them?
If you want to do this bungalow like this, 1.2 million.
1.2 million.
Only the iron. But the person have to buy the materials for the installation.
Which one be the materials again?
Cement, granite, and the sand.
Okay.
And the labor for the bricklayer.
Okay. So that will not be part of the 1.2 million.
It will part of the 1.2 million.
By 1.2, what will be the height of this one? Because I know the height the matter for this.
The height of this one is for the bungalow 18 feet from the ground to the up.
Okay, from the ground to the up.
That.
Now, if people call you for other part of Lagos, can you go and?
I can go anywhere to go and do this work.
Now only your generator and wedding material.
I will carry my generator and the wedding materials. Okay. They are my boys.
Okay. So like how many days did it take you to complete this project?
At least they test 4 days or 5 days. I don't finish the work.
As you say this one, you know, use screw and bolt and nut.
No.
Why?
No. You cannot. If you use the screw and the bolt.
Yes.
If you then put water, the thing can sift. That's why we used to the weld it now.
Okay. So
the welding good part the screw and the to tight.
But if you want to go up like all those high rise, how did they do it?
If you want to go up,
yes.
That one for the upstairs.
Yes.
We can do foundation bolt down down first.
Okay.
Before we stand this the sanding, we now to the weld it from down to the up.
Sir, you get one thing where they disturb people. I know so many people go and ask this question.
Yes.
Sometimes after you don't feel like they come put pako, can't keep the tank on top. But after some time, it go dey leak. What be the solution for all these things?
We don't get the solution now.
Okay.
We need to buy the grading net.
What is grading net?
That one, the galvanized.
Okay.
It is 19 feet by 3 feet.
Okay.
Now we dey use for now. That is new product.
Okay, it is different from plate. That plate where
no, the plate sef we know they use am again. That grading net na galvanized. You know they rust. You know they give problem.
Okay.
If you don't put on top of plumber come put the tank, you know we get problem.
You know go get problem.
The thing go there unless we don't want you the scaffolding for that side again.
In case you want to reach Baba, I will display my number. It's my number that will be there. But if you are interested, call me. You know I'm a realtor. That's why we put our number. But I will share his contact. I brought him here and he has done several jobs. So I'm not adding any money. So don't think that if you contact me, I'll add. There's no money. That amount of 1.2 you mentioned is what you will use. You understand? So reach out to Baba. Thank you very much. Thank you for taking time to share your thought. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. So